into this. There.
Oh, look at your dad.
Hi, Kylie.
Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa! Okay, sit up tall. There. Good girl.
You're doing very good.
He likes you. Should we go over to Luke's?
No, that's a dog.
That dog's probably as tall as Fury.
Kylie, can you smile?
Daddy, let me down.
Hey, Dan, you want to walk with Grandma?
Daddy, get me down.
Here. Hey, sit up tall. Sit up straight. Good girl. Okay, say, "Ho, Fury." Oh.
Oh boy, oh.
Okay, let's turn around. Let's go to the left.
There we go.
Okay, you walk right with me. Aiden, right here. Stay there. Grandma's got to blow her nose. Good boy. Stay right there. I won't hang on to you.
Look at me, Kai.
Here she comes.
Who are you going to tell that you rode? Who are you going to tell that you rode? Here's the reins. Hang on that.
Aiden, are you riding a horse? Come on,
Are you a
Kylie.
natural, Aiden?
He's got rhythm.
All right. Kylie, get up here.
Kylie, you're scaring him.
Yeah. Get up here by your daddy. There. He thought you were a predator.
Aiden, are you going fast?
You are. You're only 2 years old and you ride like you're 5.
He is the rider. You should have worn your cowboy hat.
They have cowboy hats like that, Aiden.
Honey.
Say, yeehaw!
Can you say yeehaw?
Yeah.
Kylie, stay by me. Come on. By me,
Come over.
Kylie.
Or by me, Kylie. You want to walk by Grandma? Come on. Kylie, come on. Come around here. Hey, yeehaw. Can you ride? Can you ride with one hand straight up?
Yeah.
Can you ride with both hands straight up? Drop the reins.
Give it to him, Kylie.
Yeah, give it to
Put
him.
your hand like that. Well, here, give him a little bite first. Yeah, slow. Okay,
Well, now our hand's closer to the end.
Well,
Now my
Here.
turn.
Here, Kylie. Hang on to the end of that. There you go. Okay.
we did it.
Okay, come on, Kylie.
Oh, he
Oh,
took it.
Kylie, look at me. Did he take it?
Hold your hands back, like this. There you go.
He likes carrots.
Just wait a minute, everything will.
Here. Oh, up. There.
Whoop.
Like, let him hang on to it. There
He
you go.
took it.
Aiden, smile.
Let's wash your hands. Come here.